Continue to question 18, and we have 3 more questions, and we'll be done with the elementary algebra test. Sample questions for the ACCUPLACER. Okay, 10x to the 6 plus 8x to the 4 over 2x squared. So what are we going to do with this? We're going to see which one is the same as that. So again, I'm going to talk about what can we do with fractions in that situation. So this is just an example. Before, when we study fractions, when we learn how to add fractions together, let's see 3 over 8, and I want to add, let's say I want to add 2 over 8. This is pretty easy because they have the same denominator already. Therefore, I can just have the denominator together, and it's still the same though. It's still the 8, right? Still over 8. And I can just do 3 plus 2. And of course, 3 plus 2 is equal to 5, right? And then we will just have 5 over 8. And that's the answer. And that's it. But as you can see for this part, let's pay attention to this part. When you have 3 over 8 plus 2 over 8, we can just put the 3 and then the 2 together on the top, over 8, right? And this allows us to just do 3 plus 2 on the top, which gives us a 5, and it's still over the 8. But if the question is 3 plus 2 over 8, if you look at this backwards, if you start off with 3 plus 2 over 8, wouldn't this be the same as that? I can break down these fractions as 2 fractions, and we can say this is 3 over 8 first, and then plus 2 over 8. We're just looking at this backwards. So of course, it's equal sign, so they must be correct. 3 plus 2 over 8, it's the same as saying 3 over 8 first, and then plus 2 over 8. That's exactly what we just did right here. We are going to use this idea to help us solve question 18. Not solve, to simplify, to how to do a change. Question 18. I have the question 10x to the 6 plus ax to the 4 over 2x squared. So we're going to use this idea right here. And the first guy right here is this, the 10x to the 6. So I can first break this down by saying we have 10x to the 6 over the denominator, which is 2x to the second. I have the plus, so let me bring down the plus sign right here. And then the second item on the top, I have the 8x to the 4. 8x to the 4 over the same denominator, 2x squared. So instead of this, we're going to look at this, and then we're going to see how to simplify this fraction and that fraction, how to reduce the fractions. Okay, so let's work with the numbers. 10 over 2. 2 goes into 2 once, 2 goes into 10 5 times. Therefore, I have a 5 on the top. Okay, and let me not write down the 5 yet. I want to work with the x squared and then the x to the 6. So what does x to the 6 mean? X to the 6 power means I have x times x times x times x times x times x, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 x's. That's what this means. And then x to the second power means x times x. So as we can see that I can cancel out. I can pair these two up together and cancel them out, and I can pair these two up together and cancel them out. And that will give us 1, 2, 3, 4. 4x multiplying together on the top, and that's x to the 4th power. So altogether, this is 5x to the 4th power. Another way to get the 4th power is you can just do 6 subtract 2. Right, 6 minus 2 is equal to 4. Right, 6 minus 2 will give you the 4. Okay, and I have the plus sign, and then right here I have 8 over 2. So 2 goes into 2 once, 2 goes into 8 4 times. So I have the 4, let me write it down already, because this one I have x to the 4 and then x to the second. What I can do is write down the x, and then I can just do 4 minus 2. So 4 minus 2, this is equal to 2. So this 2 will be the new exponent. So let me write it down. That. Alright, and hopefully this is one of the answer. And then let's see. I have 5x to the 4, 5x to the 4, and then 4x to the second power. And that's exactly answer choice C. That's exactly answer choice C.